Hello guys, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all of you ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I'm going to explain and give you an idea about how you want to connect your Arduino Nano. So I have here an Arduino Nano. So this Arduino Nano consists of Atmel Atmega chip 328. On the middle over here, they got the reset button. And then this is a standard clone Arduino Nano. So what I want to do is basically give you an idea how you want to interface your Arduino Nano with the LCD in a very quick process. So the first one, what we need to do is actually having this female jumper wire, female to female jumper wire, and then what we have here is actually the LCD. So this is the LCD 16x2 attached with the I2C module. So the first step that you need to organize is basically insert all the pins inside the Arduino, inside the I2C module over here. They got the ground, VCC, SDA and SCL. So we are going to correspond all those pins according to our Arduino Nano pin. Okay, so the first one is the ground. The ground is the gray color over here. So the gray color are going to be attached at the ground of the Arduino Nano. So this is the ground of the Arduino Nano. And then the next one is the VCC. So the VCC is the white color are going to be attached at the 5 volt of my Arduino Nano. So this one is the 5 volt, if you can see over there. And then we have the SDA and SCL. So the SDA and SCL in this particular example correspond to the brown and also the black color of the wire over here. So I have the brown and the black color. So the brown are SDA, the black are actually the SCL. So the SDA and SCL are going to be attached at the analog pin number A4 and A5. So this is the SDA, the brown are going to be attached at number 4 and then followed by the number 5. Okay, that is actually the process of hooking up our Arduino Nano together with the I2C module for the LCD. So now let us connect it to our USB connector over here, and then we are going to attach it together on our laptop for interface with it. Okay, so you can just insert it like this. So my LCD are going to be open, and then we are going to open the Arduino IDE. Okay, so for this project, I'm going to use the Arduinoblocks. As you know, in my previous video and discussion, we already discussed about the use of the Arduinoblocks.com as one of the method to easily code your Arduino project. So let me just start a new project over here, and then I'm going to start a personal project on the left side over here, and then I'm going to define my project type using the Arduino Nano Atmega with the old bootloader. So this one is the old bootloader, and then I'm going to name it accordingly. So this one is just a simple one, I2C LCD interface. Okay, so I'm going to use the LCD 1602 with I2C module. Alright, so the component as I mentioned to you before, so the first one we need the LCD 16x2, and then we need the I2C LCD module, and then we need the jumper wire. Okay, so jumper wire will be the female to female, and then the last one but not least is our Arduino Nano. Okay, after that you can just hit the new project over there, and then we are going to be open up with this setup and loop. So we are going to discuss about how to set it up. So the first one, you have these two loop, you have to initialize the setup. Okay, so to initialize the setup, you can go to the first one is the LCD screen over here, and then we are going to specify this one, the LCD I2C begin. Okay, so the loop over here we need to arrange it accordingly. So now we are talking to Arduino LCD to be initialized. 16x2 is the size at the address of 0 times by 27. This is a hexadecimal one. And then the next one, maybe you are also want to interface with the serial monitor so that we can see is there any issues with regard to our initialization state of the Arduino Nano. And then the next one, we are going to focus on the loop, where we are going to open our LCD screen over here also. And then we are going to insert this one. We are going to insert the LCD print. Okay, so this one, LCD print column, 0 row and then 0. Alright, so we are going to put this one, row 0 and then column 0. So this one we are going to specify using a text function over here, and then we are just going to insert the text. So the text that we are going to insert here is a standard one, hello world. Okay, and then you can duplicate this column and then insert down here to set the Arduino to say another word on the second row of our Arduino LCD. So I'm going to specify the next one, hello world, this, okay, Kajidataonline. Okay, so this is our channel name. And then you are going to insert also our serial, where we want to say something on our serial. So our serial basically helping us to understand the debugging of our Arduino project. Start printing. Okay, so this is the line feed. They are going to continuously feeding the info to our LCD. And then perhaps you want to make some control, and then you can go over here and then insert some time, where we are going to just clear it for a few seconds. Okay, so wait for 1000 milliseconds. So that's mean they are going to loop and print, loop and print, loop and print this hello world. Okay, so let us have a look about how you want to interface it. Basically you can use this console, but I find out that this one is not available for Mac at the moment. And then perhaps you can also go to the resources and then go to the Arduino libraries, because you need to install the libraries inside your libraries folder. And then after you finish everything, you can go to this button. Okay, you can go to the save, and then you save it already, and then you can download it. Okay, you can download it. You can download it. You can download it. You can download it over here. Oh, sorry, you can download it over here, and then download the Arduino code, which is the .ino. And then you can open the Arduino blocks that are already being generated by this editor on Arduinoblocks.com. And then you are going to observe this opening of the Arduino IDE. Okay, let me just open it for a while, and then let's have a look and start to upload the code. Being asked to open it and then create a new folder. So now we are already including our initialize state of function. So we are going to select the tools over here, and then we are going to focus on our Arduino AVR board, Arduino Nano, and then followed by the correct COM port, communication protocol, and then we are going to upload our sketch directly. So please make sure that you are include your libraries, because I already installed this library inside the Arduino library folder. So if you want to know more about how you want to install the Arduino library folder, please check it out, the video on the description over there, on the top right of this video. Okay, I'm going to use the old bootloader, and then I'm also going to set it up at our COM port 1410. And then after that, you can start to upload the code. And then after you upload the code, you can ready to watch the action on our LCD. So this is a very simple one, just to write a few words on our LCD. And then perhaps after this, we are going to interface it with a lot of other material, such as giving the values of our sensor, and then give the feedback of our mechanisms that we created in our Arduino project. So let me just quickly share with you the idea. Alright, so after you upload it, and then they are going to done uploading and shows the output. Okay, so this is the idea, hello world Kajidataonline. so it's already there. And then the best thing about using the I2C module of LCD, you can manipulate the brightness. Okay, so perhaps you can increase the brightness or lowering the brightness. So this is the 16:2 LCD using the I2C module, together coding it using the Arduinoblocks.com. Hopefully this video is useful. Please do consider, share, like and subscribe, and see you on the next future video. Bye bye.